Creating my first CDP project, an HMI app showing a sine wave on a meter. We start by creating a system and giving it a name. We set the application type to GUI as we want a user interface. The system and application are then created. Double-click on the app. Let's add a simple sine generator to have something to show. Copy the reference to the sine output signal, which will be used later. Select the design mode to start designing the user interface. Let's add a meter to show the sine output. Add a layout so the meter fills the complete window. Select the meter. The meter is connected to the sine output by the routing property. Either use the auto-completer or just paste the reference we copied earlier. The sine output goes from -1 to 1, so we need to customize the meter accordingly. Set min value to -1, max to 1, and set precision to 1. We want to run the application on our laptop, check the device and that the toolkit is set to the correct operating system. Let's build, deploy, and run the system. The IDE is connected to the running application and we can see the live values.